Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel, and I am wearing today a corset, so it means another Halloween costume makeup is coming right now. And I hope you liked and I hope you watched my previous video for Jenny look, because that one came out so amazing, so sexy, and so good. And sorry for my voice today. I got a little sick this week and I didn't want to cancel on the Halloween video, so just bear with me. I'm gonna sound like a man today, but I hope it's okay. So first thing what we need to do is to clean our skin, and I'm using Pixi Glow Tonic because this is my favorite ever skin prep before the makeup. On cotton pad and use it as regular toner. I know you all love my eyebrows, but today I'm gonna cover it for the makeup look, and I need just a regular glue stick. First I brush it all up and then apply a generous amount of it. To be honest, I never glued my eyebrows before for any looks, for any Halloween looks, and yeah, and now they gotten so big, and I'm using a light color, so I feel like I need to cover them, so I go opposite way as my hair is growing, and then just stick it to the top. Next I need to powder my eyebrows, and I use translucent powder by Laura Mercier and like a small brush. And next step would be a primer, because I'm gonna apply a foundation, so I'm using my favorite Veil from Hourglass, and just apply a tiny amount in your T-zone. My foundation today, I'm gonna use one by Beauty Blender because it has very nice coverage, like medium to full coverage, and with this foundation I am sure it's gonna last me throughout the party, throughout the night, throughout the day. So yeah, I'm using. Okay, so now I look like a real ghost and under my area I want to add a little more concealer, and on my eyebrows of course. So I'm using Shade Tape in the shade Fair. It's very full coverage concealer, and I'm gonna go in my T-zone, just contour and highlight as we usually do. So before I jumped into the face paint, I like to use a pencil matching color or just like white color to draw lines, kind of frame it where I need to paint it. So it makes it much easier for you to see where this paint is gonna go, and if it's like too much or you need to add a little more. So make sure you use liner first. Okay, so once I have my lines done, now I can go with the paint. This is from Chameleon Body Art and Special Effects product. This is neon, so you're supposed to be glowing in dark. I'm gonna check it out tonight after I use it. And it's water-based, so what do you need? You need some brush, you need paint obviously, and some water. So I dip the brush into water just a little bit and then mix it with the paint. So moving on, and now I want to add some shading because it looks very sharp right now and not realistic. So I'm taking one of my first palettes here that I purchased. This is from Sleek and it looks like this. Perfect for neon makeup. I'm using this pink shade right here and a small blending brush. Ooh. And I'm just gonna blend around all lines that I have. So all these shades just giving you more dimension and more realistic look. And I think I'm good now. And I'm moving on to my stones and crystals. I got just a bright pink color in different shapes and sizes. And I get them from the sewing store or like a beads store in New York. Before that, I want to go back with my neon paint and a tiny brush like this, and I'm gonna draw roots of my teeth. So again, it looks more realistic. For my stones, I'm just using the regular eyelash glue. Just make sure it's clear. It's not black color, it's clear. And just apply it one by one or two by two. Okay, so it just got all harder to speak, and I think I'm gonna switch for oh my god, for voice over now. And by the way, this is perfect makeup for your girlfriend.